Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the thumbs up. Okay guys, the second premium box has arrived, and I'm going to be able to swatch for you the two different color foundations that we got. If you haven't watched my first one, I will definitely leave that linked in the description box down below. All right. So excited to be able to share this with you. The premium this month of January 2023 is an absolute winner. All right. I pay for two premium boxes on my channel because I choose different choices usually for one and different choices in the other. However, this time around there were a couple of choices that were items I already had from previous boxes. So I do have them out here. I did share with you because what I have on my face is everything that's in the box. I did get the other box earlier today, so in the video that you will see on the first one, you will see all of this, but I will share with you a couple of things that were different in this box as well. All right, and then swatch the two different shade foundations because I didn't have that second box when I filmed that first video. So starting within this one, which this one surprised me, I ended up getting again in this box the Dominique palette. So again, this is going to go into the gifts for later. This was my choice item last month in my base box, and now I ended up getting it in both my premium boxes. The odds of that happening to me is crazy, but they did give me a coupon, I think for $6 because I had a duplicate item, and that's probably what that duplicate item is. So I used that $6 in the drop shop. So this is that gorgeous palette. I swatched it there. I'm wearing it on my eyes. I will swatch this at the end of the video because if you've already seen the swatches, and then I will share with you exactly how I got this eye look. This is near at the end of the day now, so I hope everything still looks intact. So about this, okay, I have to calm down. This one here is the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. This is a $28 palette. This is her newest packaging that's in here, and if you're not familiar with Dominique, she is the OG of influencers. Her line of products are out of this world, and this is her newest packaging, and she shares it with us here, with Boxycharm. She has a really strong connection with Ipsy. She was one of the first influencers that Ipsy even worked with. Her story is absolutely fantastic, and her products are absolutely out of this world as well. It's a mixture of mattes and shimmers, and there's one glitter shade in there as well. And like I mentioned, that is a $28 palette. The premium box, if you're not familiar, is a box that when you get the base box, I should explain this. When you get the base box, which is where it all started with Boxycharm, you can upgrade to a luxe every quarter. With the premium, you always have to start with the base, but then you can drop the base box and solely get the premium as a box on its own. And this box is 6 full-size products. You get to choose 2 out of the assortment that they give us to choose 2. And one of my choices was this fantastic product that was new to Boxycharm. And this one here is called Hide. I didn't see this in the drop shop, so I will leave for you, because it's also available on Amazon, I will leave for you the 2 colors that I got. The color that I got in the first box, I think is a perfect match for me, which is in the light beige, which I will swatch for you. And then we got this one here in this box I chose in natural beige. This one seemed to have more of a yellow undertone to it, but I will swatch both for you and I will show you. I was curious, so I swatched it already for myself. But this is a new brand to Boxycharm. It comes in a full retail box, and then this is the gorgeous component on the inside here. And this one here, it says it is a perfect liquid foundation to achieve the perfect natural look with a soft matte foundation that's easily builds to medium to full coverage. It gave me full coverage, I feel, right out. And I did it with a sponge. I'm sure it would have even given me a fuller coverage if I would have used a brush. This is a custom oil-free formula. It is made to resist sweat and won't clog your pores. And this is a $30 value on its own. All right, so let's do a quick swatch here of this one. So you will see this one is in the one that is natural beige. And that is the one that we got in this box here. I'm just going to cover it so I'll know that it's from this box. And I'm just going to do a swatch like this here so you guys can see. I do have a wet cloth right beside me here. And then this is the one that is in light beige, which is what I'm wearing on my face. And that is what it looks like there. So that is the light beige and that is the natural beige. So as you can see, the light beige has more of that neutral undertone, which is what I like. And then the other one has more of that yellow undertone. It will work. I can make it work, the natural beige. And it's funny because when I first moved to Florida, I was like, you know, as we all do, you enjoy the sun a lot. And natural beige, even in the drugstore brands, is what I felt I was gravitating towards. But as I've been here longer and not being out, you know, at the pool and working and all that, the light beige is my shade that I was majority of my life. So that is the first shade here. So we have the light beige and the natural beige. Now, the next one in here was the second choice item, and I chose the same one in both boxes. So this one here is going to go into my gifts for later. And this one here is from the brand that's called Volition, and is the Strawberry Seed Brightening Serum. And this is a brand I also really enjoy. And this is a serum that's $42 on its own, and the whole box is only $40. So this one here is a brightening serum that's powered with 20% strawberry that is derived from vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it will give you noticeable radiance, hydration, and even toned skin. I used this in the morning when I got the other box because the other box came really early, and it was beautiful. It went on. You really need very little of this. One little drop, not the whole dropper, just one drop. It truly is a serum. It's not runny or anything like that, like an essence would be, but one little drop I was able to use and spread throughout my whole face. And then I waited maybe a minute for it to penetrate in. It was absolutely stunning. It left a little bit of a tackiness, but it could have been that I didn't wait long enough, because then I went in to try a new primer that I knew had a little bit of a lotion material to it, a consistency to it, and that's why I didn't use a moisturizer over this. And then I went right in with the foundation. And like I said, this is later in the day, and it is keeping like as if I just put it on. So really impressed with this Hide foundation. All right, the next one in here was an absolute home run for me. And this is a brand that I have shared with you on the channel that I enjoy so much. And this is a duplicate. This is what I have on my eyes. It is the mascara, and it is from Uma. And Uma has a couple of mascaras, and every time she has a mascara, I grab it. She also has a line that I shared with you in Walmart that is called Uma by Sharon C. And I got in the Ipsy section in the add-ons, the mini version of the Walmart version of her brand, and it was spectacular as well. But this one, unbelievable. This one here has that hourglass brush to it. That is what that looks like here. And when I put it on, you could get away with one coat, but of course I had to go again, and it gave me the most beautiful lashes. It is not wet, it is not dry, it is perfection. So impressed with this. But like I said, everything that I have tried from this Uma brand, from her lipsticks to her mascaras, have been home runs to me. And this is called Salute to the Sun. It is called the Drama Bomb Mascara. This is a $20 mascara. And it says it is a bestseller. It is a non-dripping in gold. It is a unique hourglass shaped wand that grabs and lifts each lash and delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes your lash growth. Like I said, I put this on earlier this morning. I'm hoping everything looks fine. I didn't even double check before I sat down to film. But these lashes, I felt, I didn't even put an eyeliner on because I wanted to see the length of just the mascara on its own. And I'm totally blown away. So that's the next item that's in here. The next two items, this one here is from Item Beauty. This is by Addison Rae. It says Lucky Line. This is a long wear waterproof gel eyeliner, and I got it in the shade brown. Now I have shared with you, I absolutely adore this brand. However, there has been some news about this brand. This is a brand that's one of the brands that's made in a sister company of Ipsy that is a manufacturing facility, which I have shared with you. It's called made by Collective. They do so many fantastic brands in there. They do Complex Culture, they do Trust Lucé, and they do Item Beauty. Now, Item Beauty is the one that more recently in the news, there were two brands by influencers. One was a skincare brand from a male influencer that was in Sephora, and Item Beauty also got into Sephora, and now they're no longer going to be carrying it. She did do a statement on Instagram that she really doesn't know what she's going to be doing with her line, which is a real disappointment to me because every single product that I have tried from Item Beauty has been a home run. So I don't know what Ipsy's going to do, if they're going to continue with the brand with or without the person who, you know, was part of the brand. But I really hope that they continue to do it. And if they don't, and you see Item Beauty available even at discounts, please pick them up because they are absolute, to me, home runs. This one here is called the Ultra Soft Easy Glide Clean Gel Pencil. That is water, sweat, and smudge proof. It's an intense, long-lasting pigment. It is a creamy matte finish, and it is $14. I didn't swatch this or do anything with this one yet, but I will do it over here. Yeah. Okay, that's the color. It really looks like a true chestnut brown, but like you saw when I put it on, it literally glides. I'm going to do it so lightly here, you will see. Her formulations are just beautiful, but we know it is made in the Ipsy manufacturing facility, and the people that they have on all of these brands are really taking the knowledge of being in the industry and all the high-end brands and then creating brands. But these celebrity brands right now are not getting the attention that before, you know, 2020 when the world changed. But I'm telling you, the Item Beauty, I'm so disappointed, and I'm really hoping that she will decide to continue because I have been impressed from her skincare to her makeup. And then the next item in here is one that I've received in the past also, but this was an absolute home run. And this is another celebrity brand, and it is Renna Beauty. This is the Lisa Renna brand, and the gossip on her is she's not going to be coming back this season on Bravo. She was on The Housewives, but she has been an actress that we kind of, my generation grew up with. If you watch Days of Our Lives and things like that, you know, when she came out with her lips, when before all of us knew about lip injections. But she's a true, she's unique, let's put it that way. But this product is stunning, and it is one of my favorites, and it is in the shade called Guilty Pleasure, and it actually is the exact same shade that I got in here, but this one I was wearing so much I had to put it at the end of my drawer so that I didn't grab it anymore. This one is called the Icon Collection Lip Gloss. It is a soft, smooth, shiny, ultra shimmery one swipe of this champagne pink gloss will instantly make your lips look more full and juicy. And the formula is ultra lightweight. It feels comfy, not gooey, but it is rich enough to last on your lips for hours. And it is an $18 value, and they're saying it is new to Boxy, which means I must have gotten this in the Ipsy. So that is what the wand looks like here, and then we'll just do a swatch over here so you guys can see. It is that perfect color. And that is what it looks like here. And then in reference to the palette, I'll do a quick swatch of this so you guys will be able to see how beautiful the colors are. And there's just one more. I'm not going to swatch the glitter because I don't usually wear the glitter, but it is a true glitter. And that is the swatch of the palette. And the rest of the items that I have on my face is from the Ofra palette. And this is another one that you could have chosen. This is what it looks like here. I have the bronzer on, a little of the pink blush, and one of the highlighters. Absolute winner. Everything in this box was a winner. Please share in the comments down below your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.